welcome to the online community for the Leading Learning 2007 Making Connections Conference. You'll notice that the online community has a number of different RSS feeds that you can subscribe to for the blogs and forums, the wiki, and also files that are posted in the community. There is also a shared tag, LL 2007, that will enable any posts or other items that can be tagged on the World Wide Web. That feed of information will be brought back into the community when it's tagged with LL 2007. That will enable other people who are attending the conference to see what is coming in based on that tag, and also include that into the conversations that are going on within the specific areas in the community. You'll also notice that there are blogs and forums that you'll have access to. A blog entry is very similar to a forum post. Basically, it's the way that the organization of that information happens. To post a new entry to a blog, you simply post the content here, and then the body of the post goes here. You can tag the information here, and then you can actually set restrictions on who can access a post. For example, if I only wanted people who had access to the Leading Learning Conference to have access to my post, I could restrict that access by clicking on the community restriction. By clicking on post, the item is automatically posted to the conference. Now, the forums are just a reorganization of those posts. So that last post that I had made was general questions and introductions. When I click on it, you can see that it's organized as you would see in a threaded discussion. To add a comment, I would simply click on the add a new comment, and then you have the ability to post a comment on that particular topic. Another area that you're going to enjoy is the file sharing capabilities of the Leading Learning community. You can create a folder, as I've already done here, and by clicking on the folder, I can also create subfolders if I want, but I can also upload files. So I browse to my file, I give it a title, describe it, and then specify access restrictions if I need to, as well as tagging my content, and then agreeing that this is your original content and uploading it, and that will automatically allow that file to be accessed by other members of the community. Another aspect of the online community is the wiki. The wiki is a very organic environment. You'll notice that there are areas that specify keynote speakers, the Birds of a Feather session, as well as all the other sessions that are available at the Leading Learning Conference. A wiki is an editable environment, so that means that if I went to a specific session, for example side by side, and I had attended this session, by clicking on the edit button by the session notes and reflections, I could actually add my reflections as an attendee for that conference and save my page. As a conference presenter, I could also include questions that I might like other attendees to think about, or I might do that in a post. It's really up to you how you decide to share your information for the conference. I think the Leading Learning online community is going to be a really new and exciting way for us to share information while we're going to physical conference, and expand the space and time of how we can contribute and engage in discussions. I hope you enjoy your experience in the online community and at the Leading Learning Conference. Have a good day.